What's going on, everyone? This is Juan from Juan Stock Alert Group, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing you guys to your new Discord server. So here we have our disclaimers. Feel free to read through this. If you ever have time, here's our testimonials. You guys can read through them or write your own if you ever have the time, or if you're feeling courteous enough to do so. So announcements, any announcements will be posted here. Introduction, here we have a book. We also have a stock education right here. You guys can go ahead and log in. We update the password weekly, so you guys can go in, choose a lesson, and go through the entire course. It's pretty self-explanatory and it's very easy to work with. Here we have some PowerPoints. This is our family tab. Feel free to introduce yourself here if you ever have time. Gains, whenever we make some good plays or whenever we make good profits, we always post them in our gains, so feel free to do so. So here I have my watch list. Whenever I'm watching any stock, especially in the morning, for instance, today I was watching Facebook, Disney, Amazon, and Apple. I'll post them on my watch list just so you guys have an idea of what's going on. So this is where we post the signals. This is my tab right here. So for instance, Apple 395 call July 24th. And here's the gains from Apple, just real quick. Here's the gains from Apple. The same call from today. So Freedom Forever, he posts here. He's been here since the very beginning, a great person. I really appreciate everything he does for the group. He's an amazing part of the group, and we can never replace him. So Atej, he's one of our experts. He's actually a legend. He's very well qualified for his position, and he actually ended up turning 5,000 into 179,000 in about a week. We have Dr. Stocks. He's an amazing person as well, and Mecca, the GOAT from Australia. He's amazing. He's always putting out great content for you guys, trying to teach you guys. Really appreciate him. Elite members. This is our elite members tab. You guys can post your if you ever get promoted to an elite member, or elite members can post any plays they have here. They give tips. Elite members always help you guys out with whatever they can. We have a couple elite members. Long-term holds. So this is like long-term option holds. We also have a long-term stock holds, but that's a totally different thing. This is like Baba 170 plus September. It's currently July, so I see that as a long swing. Small account plays. If your account is below $500, I really recommend that you go into small account plays, just because it'll be easier for you to stick to your 10 to 20% capital in at once. I'm not sure why it's lagging, but I want to show you guys real quick. Sorry about the lag. So here we go. So these are like small account plays. Like this one's $29. This one right here is $60. We always have rationale behind our plays. For instance, this one was a bot alert, AFGO long, AI signal. We have some Facebook as well. Nice uptrend. It actually ended up doing very well. So here we post our exits as well. And I'm not the only one who posts. Legends post here as well. So that's always very appreciated. Here we have our stocks tab, and it's pretty much the same concept as options trading. The only difference is that we have a dividend reinvestment program that we started last Friday. So basically, the dividend reinvestment program, we will teach you guys how to set up a retirement fund. We have some stocks that we swing. These typically last anywhere from 3 to 7 weeks. And of course, it's like the same thing as the options trading. We signal entries and exits. For instance, right here, I bought 500 shares of TEL at $1 per share. They ended up going up to around $1.20. And it's just an example of some of the shares that we buy and sell here. If you guys want consistent, like day trading in the stocks, feel free to look at Dr. Stocks. He's very, very good at what he does, and he provides signals daily for stocks, and he provides entries and exits. So if you're really into stock trading and or you want to try it out, or you can do both options and stocks. Feel free to try out Dr. Stocks or try our stocks tab. It's very helpful, and I guarantee that you will make very good money trading with our stocks tab. So here's our futures tab, and it's pretty much the same concept as the other two, except in futures. Mecca is fully in charge of the futures tab, and he does a very good job at what he does. So here's our premium chat room. This is where most of the conversations take place. Growth chat. If you guys have any plans or any concerns, or if you guys want some advice on how to reach your goals, feel free to post it on growth chat. Support trading. If you guys have any questions in regards to signals, the server, anything that has to do with the stock market, feel free to post it in support trading. And our elite members, our experts, and our legends, and our controllers, and of me and myself, we will help you guys out. Community news. If you guys have any big news events that you guys think are worth sharing, feel free to post them in community news. After hours, anything goes here, and of course it's after hours. So just if you're gonna have fun and just go to after hours, please don't do it on the chat. This one, we have our notifications off, so feel free to have fun on the after hours. So members watch list. If you guys are watching any stocks or needed some advice for anything that you're watching, feel free to go to members watch list, and we'll help you guys out. Suggestions. If you guys have any suggestions on how to improve the server, feel free to post them here, and we will do our best to go through them and to fix the issues that you guys may have. So food. A lot of people post their food here. We have a lot of Chick-fil-A fans here. A lot of Mexican food as well. Yeah, but if you guys are going out to eat with the family or something, post your food, you know. Share it with the team. Make us a little jealous, you know. Like here we have freedom. Look what he posted. That looks delicious. Anyways, we have food. I shouldn't spend too much time on it. So options data bot. This is our sweep spot. This is very expensive software that we are able to get. This basically what a option sweep is, a large order in the stock market. So basically, whenever there's an order over $20,000, we will get notified, and this runs basically every day during market open, from market open to market close. Golden sweeps are large market orders over $1 million. AI signals are signals that go off when volume spikes in the stock. Unusual is a combination of AI and sweep, and also of stocks that you wouldn't expect to have such a large quantity of orders going through. So commands, if you guys want to look at any stock and how they're doing based on their sweep flow, feel free to just put HUUP. We actually have a list of commands right here. If you guys go here, these are all the commands that you guys can see. Chart ticker, heat map daily, heat map weekly, heat map monthly. A lot of things you guys can do here. So here, the HUUP, we can see the sweep flow on UUP, which is actually the dollar. If you guys want, like, for instance, if you guys want to see how the dollar is doing, you guys can feel free to HUUP and you're chilling, or whatever. HAMD, HNEO, HWork. It's very helpful, especially when you're going to go into a position. To see where the smart money is flowing is extremely helpful, in my opinion. So weekly recap, here we post how we did the week prior. It's basically just a recap of all the plays. Where are we? Live news feed. Our live news bot reports the news 24/7. Intraday analysis. Any big news events that I think are very worth sharing, I will post them here. Earnings and report. Of course, we have our earnings. We always need to know how earnings are doing, so it could help us make decisions when entering any plays. Trump tweets. Trump is capable of moving the market with his tweets. So we find that it's very important to have his tweets just sent to us live, just because anything can happen. Anything he says can completely move the market. So Elon Musk tweets. So one time Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla stock was too high, and we actually ended up seeing that tweet very fast, and we were able to make over 500% on Tesla. So this is why I integrated this, and we also integrated SpaceX because it was one of the Legends requests. This is our options trading and education. So you guys can go through each lesson when you guys have time. All you guys have to do is click on the link, and it will take you to the online course. I recommend that you do this on your computer because it is a lot faster. So at the bottom there will always be videos for you guys. So feel free to go through that when you have time. At the end when we finish the course, because this is just like an early release, when we finish the course, we will release an app. We will release an app with the course, as well as in total there will be 36 lessons, and 20 of those lessons will just be on technical analysis, terminology and acronyms. It's very important to be familiarized with what we talk, how we talk and what we say. It's very important to know what everything means, or at least key points, So I find this tab very important to make your stock vocabulary just pop off, So if you guys ever have time, just go through the terminology. You don't have to go through you don't have to memorize everything, but it just be like extra, it'd be like very, very well to know all this. You'd be doing very, very good. So trading rules. If you live by these rules, you will make money. If you consistently follow these rules, you will become a millionaire in this Discord server. If you read through these rules and you follow exactly what they say, it's just a matter of time before you will make a lot of money. So, God willing, God bless, follow the rules and you'll do more than okay. So here we have futures. We're working on a futures lesson as well. It's going to be released with the app. And at the bottom, we have our voice channels. Here we hop on the weekends or on Fridays, live Q&A, one-on-one mentoring. Like for instance, tomorrow I have a couple consultations for one-on-one mentoring, completely free. All you have to do is DM me and we can go through the charts. I can teach you how to chart your graphs. I can teach you about everything you need to know to be successful. So one-on-one mentoring, or you guys can just hang out and say what you want. Anything goes, and hang out. And thank you for watching, guys. That's basically it. Have a productive rest of your night. Stay safe, and God bless.